I just found an insane dropshipping related AI platform, and no, it's not ChatGPT. This AI was made specifically to help dropshippers become successful. It's probably one of the biggest changes we're ever going to have, and it made it possible for anyone to get started and start making money. Now, dropshipping has been around for quite some time, but with the emergence of AI, the game has changed. Now, before we dive into it, for those of you who don't know, let's first understand what dropshipping is. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in physical stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third-party supplier, and then it has it shipped directly to the customer without you, the seller, ever seeing or actually handling the product. Now, some of you may be wondering, okay, but what does AI have to do with this? In short, AI uses algorithms to analyze large sets of data to predict and make decisions. For example, here are a few ways AI can make dropshipping more efficient. AI tools can analyze market trends, customer reviews, and search volumes to identify profitable products. This can save dropshippers a lot of time and effort in product research. So basically, AI is transforming the world of dropshipping and making it more efficient and profitable for us. And if you're a dropshipper yourself, it's time to embrace AI and use it to your advantage. Speaking of the AI, let's go ahead and take a look at the platform where you can find this and utilize it to your advantage. The platform is called Minea.com, and the AI is built within Minea as part of their website. But let me quickly talk about what Minea is and how to quickly navigate through it. Minea is a product research website that I've been using to find most of my winning products. They have a Facebook ad spy tool where they add 10,000 ads that you can use every single day. And they also have a tool that lets you spy on other dropshipping stores, which can be very helpful. In addition to all that, they recently added a TikTok ad spy and a Pinterest ad spy. And they have an influencer marketing section where you can see how much influencers charge for a paid advertisement on their social media platforms. There's also a list section that you gradually unlock over time as you use Minea. This section has premium features like the top 100 winning products to sell on Facebook. And then when you click on it, you will see all these winning products that you can analyze and choose from. But anyways, enough about that. Let's go ahead and explore the AI within Minea. So this AI is called Business Plan, and it allows you to find fresh winning products before anyone else. This actually tracks and gives you the top 1% of products among millions online. They somehow built this AI that's equipped with a predictive model that's trained to detect product potential. It monitors hundreds of thousands of products in real time, and as soon as a product starts to blow up, you're going to be the first to know. And the thing that I love most about this is that there's only 200 places limited per month, which also means that only 200 people get access to this AI every month. Therefore, you know for sure that the products and information you're getting will not be oversaturated. So once you're on Minea and you get access to the business plan, you will have 3 tabs you can choose from. You have the winning products tab, you have the success radar tab, and the track a new shop tab. Each one of these is exclusively controlled by their AI, and they're only limited to a certain number of people. So the winning products tab is the first one, and this is where you can discover all the dropshipping products for sale over Shopify and make your own custom search. Dozens of filters are available to filter and segment your searches to get only the best results. And once your filters are activated, you get a list of thousands of products that match your request. So that was the winning products tab, but my favorite one and the one that the AI works on the best is the success radar tab. Now, as you can see, when you open up the success radar tab, it will say that you are part of the exclusive club of 200 business plan members. So the success radar allows you to get to the top 1% of winning products based on the AI's algorithm, which also only shows you products that have high engagement and that generate consistent sales. Now, you can choose products that are early winners here, and these are products with a recent spike in sales within the last 24 hours. You can also choose viral products, which are products with high engagement on Facebook and TikTok ads. And then there's best sellers, which are products that have been consistently selling and making profit in the last 30 days. And finally, there's the recently launched products that just launched but they're already making sales. You can also monitor which shops have the best growth and which winning products they launch every day. And then when you scroll down, you will see booming promotions of the moment, which among the millions of ad creatives on their database, you can see which creatives perform the best and get the best performance. And when you scroll down to the very bottom, you will see the sales timeline tab where you can enter the URL of any online store and it will show you the sales that store is making in real time. So that was the success radar tab on the AI, and the final one is the track a new shop. So this right here allows you to enter any Shopify website. So let's enter the default one, which is uprootclean.com, and then hit the track shop button. So after you do that, you will get all the data and analytics for the store you want. You can keep scrolling and you will see pretty much everything you need to know if you wanted to copy or replicate a similar store to this one with the same winning products that they have. So guys, that was the AI, and I'm going to leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. The impact of AI on dropshipping is undeniable with this ability of analyzing data and making predictions. AI is basically revolutionizing the way dropshippers conduct their business. From things like product research, store analysis, and price optimization, it's obvious that it helps save time and resources. And whilst doing all that, it also helps you maximize your profits. Moreover, the personalization aspect of AI is a game changer changer for dropshippers. And this in turn can help boost sales and create a strong customer base. In today's fast-paced and competitive market, dropshippers cannot afford to ignore the potential of AI. Those who embrace it and integrate it into their business model are likely to see significant growth and success. As this technology continues to advance, we can only expect even more exciting changes in the dropshipping industry. So if you're a dropshipper, don't be afraid to explore the possibilities of artificial intelligence. Keep an open mind and stay informed about the latest AI tools and trends. And also experiment with different strategies to find what works best for you. And I personally think that with the help of AI, the possibilities are endless. If you've watched this far and got some valuable information out of this video, make sure you subscribe and watch the next video that pops up somewhere on this screen.